and to my audience as well. So hello everyone, those who are watching our video. This is the first session of our program Spoken English. We have designed this program to promote our course by Wetujana Academy. Our course means Spoken English course. We want to actually show you that we have students who are going through our Spoken English course, and we are doing good, inshallah, and they are doing good as well. And you all are invited to join our Spoken English course. And if I talk about this program, throughout this program, there will be one or more students from our courses, and I will be asking them questions like to translate a sentence or more, or sometimes there will be dialogue sessions, discussion sessions as well, question answer sessions. So yeah, I hope that you will get to learn more with Vijayana Academy Spoken English program, and I invite again all of you to watch this video. So let's start our session. So Ainal Hussain, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, I'm great. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So since we are already live, so yeah, if I ask you to talk about yourself, that means who are you, what are you doing, why are you here? That means in spoken English course, you can say in your own words.
Where are you now?
Uh, are you asking this question to me?
No.
No, no, no. I'm asking you to talk about yourself. Briefly talk about yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Ainal Hussain. I'm a learner of Way to Jana. I'm a student of Way to Jana Academy. I live in Gazipur. I'm I'm government employee. Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. So why have you joined this session? So what do you think? How will it help you?
This session, I think this session will uh, help help me for better fluent English speaker. Uh, that's why I joined this session.
Okay, great. Thank you. So in this session, I will be asking you to translate uh, a number of sentences. Okay. So I will be
Okay.
giving you the Bangla, and then you will have to translate that sentence. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So the first
Want to?
sentence, yeah, the first sentence is আমরা ফুটবল খেলছিলাম.
We were playing football.
Very good, great. The next sentence. The next sentence is যদি আমি জানতাম তাহলে আগে থেকে প্রস্তুতি নিতাম.
If I had known, I would I would have prepared earlier.
Very good, great. The next sentence. যে লোকটি এখানে এসেছিল সে আমার ভাই.
The man who came here is my brother.
Absolutely correct. Nice. The next sentence. তুমি কি বলতে চাও যে আমি ভুল?
Are you trying to say that I'm wrong?
If I ask you to translate this sentence again.
Are you trying to say that I'm wrong?
Exactly, perfect. The next sentence. আমি চাই তুমি মনোযোগ দিয়ে কাজটা করো.
I want you to do the work attentively.
Could you please repeat?
I want you to do the work attentively.
A slight mistake. You have said once, but I is first person,
Oh,
singular.
yes, I want.
I
Yes,
want, exactly.
I want.
It won't be I wants, it will be I want.
Yes, okay.
Great.
My
I
mistake.
want you to do the work attentively. Great.
Attentively.
Okay, the next sentence. সে এমন কিছু বলল যা সবাইকে অবাক করে দিল।
He said something that surprised everyone.
পারফেক্ট। দ্য নেক্সট সেন্টেন্স। যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব আমাকে খবর দিও।
Let me know as soon as possible.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। থ্যাংক ইউ। দ্য নেক্সট সেন্টেন্স। তোমার ইচ্ছা থাকলে সবকিছুই সম্ভব।
Everything is possible if you have the will.
ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ।
The will.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। নাইস। ইউ আর ডুইং গ্রেট, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমরা যত তাড়াতাড়ি পারি কাজটা শেষ করতে চাই।
We want to finish the work as soon as possible we can.
Could you please repeat again?
We want to finish the work as soon as possible we can.
There are a small mistake. Hmm. As soon as you have
As soon
said
as
possible, but there is no need to use possible. As soon as we can.
we can. Okay, thank you, sir.
Exactly. So it will be we want to finish the work, then
As soon as we can.
exactly. The next one. আমি জানতাম না তুমি এত ভালো ইংরেজি বলো।
I didn't know you speak English so well.
Exactly. তুমি যদি আমার পরামর্শ শুনতে তাহলে সমস্যায় পড়তে না।
If you had listened to my advice, you wouldn't have gotten into trouble.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। সে জানে সে জানে না তার ছোট ভাই কোথায় গেছে।
He doesn't know where his younger brother has gone.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। তুমি যত বেশি পড়বে তত ভালো ফল পাবে।
The more you study, the better result you will get. You will get.
Again.
The the more you study, uh, the better result you will get.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। গ্রেট। যদি আমি তোমার জায়গায় হতাম আমি তা করতাম না।
If I were in your place, I wouldn't do that.
এক্স্যাক্টলি, গ্রেট। ইউ আর ডুইং সো নাইস। আমি বুঝতে পারছি না কেন তুমি এত রাগ করছো।
I don't understand why you are so angry.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। তাদের বাধা দেওয়া না হলে তারা অনেক ক্ষতি করতো।
I have complete this.
Okay, you are not able to actually answer this, right?
Yes,
So it will
yes.
be if they hadn't been stopped, they would have caused a
They,
lot of damage.
yes,
Damage. For example, the sentence was তাদের বাধা দেওয়া না হলে, তাদের বাধা দেওয়া না হলে তারা অনেক ক্ষতি করতো। For example, there are some bad people, bad guy
yes,
in your area.
yes,
If no one had stopped them, they would have done or they would have caused something dangerous, right? So
yes,
it will be if they hadn't been stopped. তাদের বাধা দেওয়া না হলে তারা অনেক ক্ষতি করতো। If they hadn't been stopped. বাধা দিয়েছে কে? Maybe someone is there or a group
yes.
of people. Yeah. So if they hadn't been stopped, they would have caused a lot of damage. Okay. So you have done very nice. তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ?
Where are you going?
Okay. সে আজ স্কুলে যাবে না।
He want to go to school. He want go to school today.
Won't means
Will not.
will not. Exactly. Great. আমরা ওকে, সো সে প্রতিদিন সকাল 7টায় উঠে।
He wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning.
He wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning. So if someone says she wakes up at 7 every morning, will that be wrong?
She she wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning
If
is
someone,
correct.
okay, if
Is
someone
yes,
says, say she, will that
she
be correct?
yes, all absolutely correct.
Okay, great. But whenever we are in a context, we are referring to a boy, that time we will
Yes,
use he. And when we are referring to a girl, then we will
we-
use
she
she. Exactly. Great. So I think you have answered all the questions nicely, except a few. Hmm. You will have to work on those sentences, and then I hope you will do great. And we think we can stop our live in 1 minute. But before that, uh, again, I'm drawing the attention of our audience, and I would like you, dear audience, to actually watch our videos for like this one, the session video. And if you are interested to know more about our spoken English course, then you can contact us. The number will be given in the comment section, and in the description as well, if possible. And let me say the number, give you the number of Wettujan Academy: 01575173202. We have WhatsApp in this number, so you can contact us through WhatsApp. Okay, and you can call us on WhatsApp as well. So with this, we are ending our live here. Thank you, and we'll see you again.